All right, we're back in the AI Copy Lab. Thanks for joining me today. We are going to talk about headlines. And as you probably know, headlines are probably the most important part of your sales letter, your landing page, the homepage of your website, whatever it is, because we're trying to get people's attention and get them to keep reading. And the only way to do that is with a powerful headline. So let's get ChatGPT involved here. And in this case, we're going to generate some traffic. This is a 6 weeks to total traffic mastery fictional product. Okay. And we're going to ask ChatGPT, give me 10 powerful headlines for my new course. And I talk about the target audience and what they're struggling with. Internet marketing entrepreneurs, pretty broad market. Okay. It's a pretty broad target, but just for the sake of getting these headlines generated, that's what we're going to do today. So they're struggling on how to get more traffic to their website. So here we go with the headlines for ChatGPT. And it did pretty well. It gave me 10 good ones. So what I'm going to do is make them better. I'm going to copy and paste and put it over here to a Google Doc. And I've already done it for the sake of time. And here are the headlines that ChatGPT just gave me. So I'm not a fan of this because I think we should add something like discover how to transform your online business, gain total traffic mastery in just 6 weeks. Okay. Here's one: break free from traffic struggles. Let's say your traffic struggles. Your is a great word because people want to read about themselves. Enroll in the 6-week total traffic mastery course. Okay. We've just improved it just by adding one word, and we've made it our own, which is really critical. Even for headlines, you don't want to just use ChatGPT generated headlines. You want to add your unique touch. So you can change this one to go from, just add the word go. All right. Here's one: revolutionize. I'm taking that right out because that's a classic ChatGPT word. We do not want to use revolutionize. All right. So catapult. How's that? Catapult your online success. All right. Join the 6-week journey. Okay. So we're going to add your here. So I think you get the idea. We're trying to tweak these headlines. And we didn't even get to the point yet where you're going to want to pick out the one that resonates with you the most. And then the ones that that kind of come in second and third place, you're going to want to save those for future use if you are, going to be doing subject lines or Facebook ads, things like that. So hopefully you get the idea. And that is it in a nutshell: generating headlines in ChatGPT. But then not just doing that, we want to revise them. We want to add our own personal touch, even if it's just one word. Okay. You want to make everything your own when it comes to ChatGPT. So we're humanizing. We aren't just pasting. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit subscribe.